Who's that boy in front of me? Your skin so black, my skin so white. You seem to smile, but I can tell the scars protected from the light. A childhood that's been washed away by a game called Kill or Die. My toys were dolls, yours guns and knives, and I'm the one who cries. Soldiers came, took everything. They took your family. While I was playing in the fields, was swimming in the seas. Your eyes saw things I never